Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This here's Portie's Garage. And on today's episode, we're gonna talk a little bit about this Porsche Macan and some exhaust issues. So many of you may have heard about some rumbling or some noise you're getting in the cabin when it's downshifting or when you're coming up to a stop, usually around 1,000 to 1,100 RPM. Just some vibrating going on there. I found what I think is the issue, and it also causes more issues down the line if you don't take care of it. If you don't take care of it, you've got some cross braces on the back part of the exhaust that are gonna break and they're gonna start squealing, and then you're gonna feel like you have this POS car that is making all these noises and squeals. So I'm gonna tell you about the fix I did for both of those. Also talk to you a little bit about the Porsche Technical Bulletin, which I'll also link down in the bottom here, that actually explains this in its totality. So let's go under the car and take a look. Okay guys, here we are underneath the car. I've got this first pan off and you can see this downpipe here coming up. So this is what I was talking about. So you can see a little bit right in here, the mesh. I've got this band on it right now. I bought this band from Amazon. It's a 3-inch band. I'll put the link below. I've got it on somewhat tight, not completely tight because I don't want to totally compress that and take away all the flex. But this little mesh in here, if you see that, that is the original design, and Porsche has a technical bulletin out there on it where they replace this with a different mesh. It's much larger that they came up with. So that's the first piece that I fixed. So when you get to that 1,000 to 1,100 RPM, this is just going to shake like crazy and you'll hear the vibration in the cabin. So let me take you back to the back part of the exhaust now. Okay, here is the back end of the car, the exhaust going out to the mufflers.
Hey, the wings are up, 2 to 1.
Woohoo, wings up. If you come across here, you're gonna come up and you're gonna see this right here. This breaks. In the Porsche Technical Bulletin, you can remove this. They actually say that if it's broken, you just remove it. I did bend it out of the way. Another thing to note that I didn't realize at first, because I noticed this was broke because it was making a loud squealing noise at certain RPMs, so I came under here and bent that down. What happened, because I didn't take care of the front end part where the vibration was actually happening, there's another piece up here, and I don't know if you can see where my finger's at there, but there's another piece on top of this, and that one started to break as well. So that's what the problem is. If you have a loud squealing noise, it's one of these welds or these pieces have broke and they're rubbing together as the exhaust vibrates. And really what the root cause of the problem is that front part of the exhaust coming off the catalytic converter. So that's it, guys. That's my interpretation of the problem. Again, I'll put the Porsche Technical Bulletin down there below so you guys can look for yourself. Really, the true way to fix this problem is to buy the new pipes. If you go online, I've seen some in the neighborhood of $400 to $450 each. So you're looking just under $1,000 to fix it properly. I will end up doing that eventually. This is a short-term fix. I had to do something until I got the pipes in because it was just vibrating the whole car and the exhaust was sounding terrible. I feel like I got a new car again, so I'm pretty happy with that. But hey, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next Porsche Macan video.